Hey everybody and welcome back. If you want to go ahead and restore your Steam Cloud saves on your Windows and you are looking out how to do so, you can follow these steps easily and do it. So you can go ahead and access Steam for that. Open up Steam and go to your library section. That's right here. And that should open up the space. And within here, you can look out for the game that is currently downloaded. And go over and right click on your game and go to the properties. And once you go to their properties, you need to go to the general section, and here ensure the enable Steam cloud synchronization for is checked. You need to have this application fully downloaded for that, and that should do it. Apart from that, you can delete the local save files. It is optional but recommended. So you can go to your drive where it is located. For example, your C drive. And within your C drive, you can go over, look out for program files 86, and look out for your user data. Here, you can just go and find it up. If not here, you can go to your program files as well. And look out for your user data. And once you find your user data, you can just go and delete the user data file right there, or move those files in backup if you want it. And close it off as well. The next thing you can do is you can force Steam to download the cloud. So you can close Steam completely for that. And once you close it up, you can reopen the Steam and then you can relaunch the game as well. And if prompted, you can choose the download from Steam Cloud option. That should ensure the Steam overwrites local files with the cloud saves. Also verify the integrity of the game, so you can look out for the file and right click on it and select the option of properties. And once you go to properties option, you can go over and go to local file section here. So once it is completely downloaded, look out for the local file section, and there look out for the verify integrity of the game files option, and Steam will check for missing corrupted files and may restore cloud saves properly. And also check Steam Cloud status. You need to enable it, and you will be seeing a message that the Steam Cloud has been enabled and syncing, and that should probably work out for you. So we hope this video was helpful to you. You can follow the steps for that, and also make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.